Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel daily course. In front of me, Canon printer. As you can see, I have Canon MG5700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean the rollers on this device. So, firstly, you need to open settings. So scroll down, find setup here, and click on this button. Wait a while. Here, as you can see, we have maintenance. Click OK. And here we have print nozzle check pattern, cleaning, deep cleaning, auto head alignment, print the head alignment value, roller cleaning. So now we need this feature, roller cleaning. So click OK. Do you want to start cleaning the roller? See manual. So click yes. OK. Remove all the loaded paper. So let's remove all the loaded paper. Click OK and wait. Now check that 3 or more sheets at A4 later size plain paper are loaded. Then select OK. So check that 3 or more sheets of A4, so you need to insert 3 or more paper cards. So I will insert A4 cards. I have no later cards right now, so I have inserted more than 3 cards and click OK. Wait a while. Blank paper card was printed, so I will reinsert this card. Second card was printed, and as you can see, I have completely clean card. And third completely clean card. And as you can see, that's it. I will insert this cards back, and great. That's it. Click OK and cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.